Ever wondered what the world's most exclusive clubs and events look like? The allure of exclusivity is not a new phenomenon. It's a captivating concept that dates back centuries. This allure is fueled by our innate desire to be part of something special, something unique, something that not everyone has access to. It's about the thrill of entering those elusive doors that are closed to many, yet open for the privileged few. It's about the prestige, the status, and the sense of accomplishment that comes with it. Exclusivity, in its essence, is about being a part of a coveted community, a select circle, a unique club that others can only dream of. It's about the allure of the unseen, the unknown, and the unreachable. It's about the mystery, the charm, and the appeal that is so irresistibly captivating. Today, we take a peek behind the velvet rope and count down the world's top exclusive clubs and events. Starting at number 5 on our list, we have the Core Club in New York City. Nestled in the heart of Manhattan, the Core Club is a hub for the global elite. More than just a social club, it's a place where power players in business, art, and culture converge. The Core Club boasts a private dining room, a gym, a spa, and even its own art collection. They offer an array of events, from intimate concerts to thought-provoking lectures, ensuring there's always something to stimulate the mind and senses. But the Core Club isn't for everyone. With an initiation fee upwards of $50,000 and annual dues of $15,000, it's a playground for those who can afford it. The club's clientele includes titans of industry, acclaimed artists, and influential tastemakers, all drawn to the club's promise of exclusivity and discretion. Now, let's hop continents to Buenos Aires, Argentina, where we find our number 4 club, the Clubhouse. The Clubhouse takes the concept of a social club and gives it an Argentine twist. With its lush gardens, pool, and beautifully restored early 20th century mansion, it's a sanctuary in the city. The Clubhouse isn't just about the beautiful location, though. It's a vibrant community of creatives, entrepreneurs, and thinkers. Exclusive events range from pool parties to art exhibitions, film screenings, and wine tastings. The club even offers a curated residency program for international members. Just like the Core Club, exclusivity comes at a price. Membership is by invitation only, and the club is notoriously selective about who gets in. The exact fees are a closely guarded secret, but suffice to say, it's a significant investment. From New York to Buenos Aires, these clubs offer more than just a space. They offer a lifestyle. They are places where the world's movers and shakers come to unwind, network, and indulge. But remember, access to these elite circles is not just about the money. It's also about who you are and what you bring to the table. Moving on to number 3, we have the Silencio Club in Paris. This members-only establishment is a tribute to the eccentric world of cinema. Its name and design inspired by the club featured in David Lynch's film, Mulholland Drive. A place where film industry professionals and aficionados come together, Silencio is not just a club, it's a cultural haven. Its unique features include a cinema, a library, and an art gallery. But the real allure lies in its exclusivity. Membership is by invitation only, and the list of invitees is a closely guarded secret, making it one of the most exclusive clubs in the world. Now, let's cross the Atlantic and travel to San Francisco, where we find our next exclusive club, the Battery. Nestled in the heart of the tech capital, the Battery is a private social club that caters to the creme de la creme of the tech industry. This club is a perfect blend of old-world charm and new-age technology. The Battery is housed in a 5-story building, each level offering a unique experience. From a wine cellar boasting an impressive collection to a rooftop garden with breathtaking views of the city, the Battery is a playground for the elite. And it's not just about the physical spaces. The club hosts a range of exclusive events, from intimate dinners with tech moguls to thought-provoking seminars with industry leaders. Like Silencio, obtaining a membership at the Battery is no easy feat. It's by invitation only, and those lucky enough to be invited are subject to a rigorous screening process. The result? An exclusive club where the world's most influential tech minds gather. Whether it's the artistic allure of Silencio or the tech-driven exclusivity of the Battery, these clubs redefine luxury. And now, at the top of our list, we have the Whites Club in London. This prestigious institution has been a beacon of exclusivity since its establishment in the 18th century. Its members are a who's who of society's elite, from British royalty to political heavyweights. Yet what truly sets the Whites Club apart is the shroud of mystery that cloaks it. The club's rules and traditions remain fiercely guarded secrets, known only to its esteemed members. This secrecy only adds to its allure, making it a tantalizing enigma for those on the outside. The membership process? A labyrinth of unspoken rules and personal recommendations. The club's inner workings? A well-kept secret, whispered about in hushed tones. The Whites Club is more than just a club. It's an emblem of status, a testament to influence, and a fortress of privacy. The Whites Club, a symbol of ultimate exclusivity, stands unrivaled at the pinnacle of our list. From clubs to events, exclusivity extends its reach. One such event is the Met Gala. This high-profile gathering, held annually on the first Monday in May, is a testament to the intoxicating allure of exclusivity. The Met Gala isn't just any fashion event. It's the equivalent of the Super Bowl for the fashion world, with a guest list carefully curated by Vogue's editor-in-chief. You won't be getting an invite unless you're a bona fide celebrity, a prominent figure in the fashion industry, or a top-tier socialite. The attendees don't just show up, they make grand entrances, clad in couture interpretations of the event's theme. From elaborate gowns to avant-garde suits, the Met Gala is a parade of high-profile fashion on a global stage. From the core club to the Met Gala, these are the places where the world's elite gather. Exclusivity, luxury, and prestige. These clubs and events embody them all. We've taken you on a journey through the world's most exclusive clubs, each with its own unique allure and charm. We've delved into the opulent interiors, the distinguished members, and the lavish events that set these establishments apart. From the hushed corridors of the first club, where seasoned connoisseurs mingle, to the vibrant energy of the second, a playground for the world's elite, we've explored the breadth of exclusivity. We've also dipped our toes into the world's most exclusive events, a spectacle of elegance and extravagance, where the crème de la crème gather to celebrate life's finest moments. These clubs and events, they're not just about exclusivity. They're about creating unforgettable experiences. They're about the thrill of being part of something truly unique, the joy of indulging in the best that life has to offer. Remember, exclusivity isn't just about the price tag, it's about the experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. See you in the next video.